Welcome to the world of SAP SQL. This tool is like the backbone of data management in SAP, helping businesses make sense of their vast data. Whether you're handling reports or automating workflows, SQL ensures everything runs smoothly. Mastering SQL means you can talk to databases like a pro, kind of like having superpowers. So buckle up, because by the end of this presentation, you'll be well on your way to becoming an SAP SQL wizard. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. SQL is basically the language databases speak. Think of it as a translator between you and the massive data stored in SAP systems. Without SQL, finding data would be like searching for a needle in a haystack, painful and slow. By using SQL, we can structure, organize, and retrieve data effortlessly, making our lives easier and keeping SAP operations seamless. So, let's dive in and make SQL work for us. Before we start coding away, we need to set up the SAP SQL environment. Imagine setting up a kitchen before cooking. Without the right tools, things can get messy fast. From installing the right database tools to ensuring a stable connection, these steps will save you headaches later. It's all about preparation, because once things are set up, writing queries will feel like a breeze. SAP SQL is packed with features to make our lives easier. It's not just about retrieving data. It's about doing it efficiently and securely. Business intelligence thrives on SQL, and with its ability to handle complex queries, it's like having a Swiss Army knife for data management. The best part, it keeps everything structured and scalable, making sure your database doesn't turn into chaos. SQL functions are like magic tricks for data. They help us extract, transform, and play with it effectively. Today, I will walk you through the types of functions SAP SQL offers, and how expressions can make your queries more dynamic. Remember, using best practices isn't just a buzzword. It's your ticket to reliable and efficient results. And yes, playing with data can be fun. It's like a digital puzzle. Performance tuning might sound tedious, but it's what keeps queries from feeling like they're running a marathon in slow motion. We'll explore bottlenecks, tackle indexing. Think of it as speed boosters for your data, and learn to use explain plans like a detective solving a mystery. And don't worry, optimizing queries isn't magic. It's just smart work that will make you look like a data wizard. Errors are inevitable, but tackling them is what separates a rookie from a pro. Here, I'll introduce you to common SAP SQL errors and how to debug them without pulling your hair out. Logs and error messages are your best friends, like a GPS guiding you out of trouble. Plus, I'll share tips for building queries that refuse to break, because prevention is always better than cure. Transactions are the guardians of data integrity. They ensure everything stays in order. Today, we'll learn how to commit and roll back like pros, and how transactions keep your data safe even during chaos. We'll also tackle concurrency issues, because who likes conflicts, right? Think of transactions as traffic cops in the bustling world of databases, keeping everyone on the right path. Stored procedures and triggers are like programmable assistants for your database. They automate tasks and save you time. I'll explain how to create them, share best practices, and highlight performance tips. Think of triggers as your database's reflexes and procedures as its muscle memory. Together, they make your data handling seamless and efficient. Let's explore these superpowers. Best practices might feel mundane, but trust me, they're your secret weapon. I'll cover how to write clean, readable code, adopt sensible naming conventions, and steer clear of hard-coding traps. Testing and optimizing scripts isn't just for perfectionists. It's for anyone who values robust and reliable systems. And yes, Following best practices can make you look like the database guru you aspire to be. Security is like locking your car in a crowded parking lot. It's non-negotiable. We'll explore SQL injection attacks, the villain of the database world, and how to prevent them. Managing user access, encrypting data, and staying compliant are your best defenses. Security isn't just an obligation. It's your safeguard against digital mischief. Let's keep your database fortress impenetrable. Let's bring SQL out of textbooks and into the real world. From analyzing business data to creating dashboards that wow your colleagues, SQL has endless applications. Automation and system integration make life easier and workflows smoother. It's like turning your data skills into superpowers, ready to make an impact. Let's explore these possibilities. Congratulations! You've come full circle in your SAP SQL journey. We'll recap key topics, highlight the importance of continuous learning, and point you to resources for sharpening your skills. Remember, every expert started as a beginner. It's all about the next steps. Let's make those steps purposeful and exciting. You're ready to excel in the SQL universe. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.